time to make migas. Got some eggs, some cheese, some salsa. Added the barbacoa option. My tortilla chips, my tortillas that I'll heat up, and my huevos that I'll scramble. Some avocados, don't forget the avocado. First step for making migas is you want to scramble your huevos. You're gonna need a bowl. You know, this one I did it with both hands. I think the next one I'm gonna do with one hand. Just like in the movies. My technique to scramble the eggs, pretty much break every yolk, get a bowl that's a little too small for the eggs, and start whisking. Once you have the proper size for this bowl, you just want to fluff your eggs with a fork. And you know how I know the eggs are going to be ready? When I go like this and they don't clump up. The pan is about medium-low heat and we wanted to get it a medium. In the meantime, I'm going to start warming up my tortillas. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. We're going to add the green onions. Make sure you don't forget about your tortillas. You're going to let those get soft. Right now is a good time to add the barbacoa. If you didn't add the barbacoa, right now is where you would add your eggs. But I went ahead and went big. I'm gonna kind of break down the barbacoa just a little bit. And, you know, so now that the meat is getting acquainted with the pan and the onions, the tortillas are cooking. Now that we have tortillas ready, see how that's what you want. That's the barbacoa of your dreams in your house. Before you add the eggs, make sure you have a non-stick spatula. You can have one of these. You can have one of these. I'm gonna add a little bit of more olive oil. Again, you can use any kind of fat that you want. We drop the eggs. At this point, you could make a frittata, an omelet, or scrambled eggs with barbacoa. The moment you add the chips, you have migas. The moment you have migas and coffee, you have a good morning. Constantly stirring the pan. You and the eggs, just one with each other. Not worrying about anything else. This is the time to add your chips. We'll season that. You're gonna feel like the pan is too small and the chips are too big. All those are gonna fit in. The migas have arrived. Your guests are not here because you didn't invite anybody. Because you're a good person, you're staying at home, you're not telling anybody come over and eat your migas. It's just you and your family. Migas are never that pretty to plate. You know what? They're always delicious. And now we're gonna garnish. A little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of cheese, and some avocado. This hot sauce is made with fermented peppers from last season. Some fried garlic, oil, but it's spicy. I like to put a lot, you can put a little. You put the avocado on top. And some cheese. Some beautiful manchego cheese. My favorite way of eating migas tacos is literally just making it one taco at a time. Breaking it up. Think of the tortilla as an extension of your spoon. You can just dip it in there, get after it.
Like a tourist girl.